Welcome guys to C# programming for beginner class. It's my 5th video. In this video I will cover the comments, C# comments, what is comment, why it's important, and how you write the comments. Actually, comments are the lines of code that doesn't execute by compiler. Comments is very important for a programmer who need to describe their code. They need to put the comments in their code for describing his code. So it's better way to describe our code for others. For example, a programmer is working on a project and they leave it for a while, and after a long time he come back to complete their project. So he doesn't know how the code was written and how the code is working. For that he need to put the comments in every section of code. So a better programmer is a programmer who put the comments in their code. And one other example, if a team is working on a same project in one project, and so every programmer should write the comment in their code, because it's a team project. So for describing his code to others, they need to put the comments in their code. So we have two types of comment. It's single line comments and multi-line comments. Single line comments is just for single line. We put the single line comment in our code. So we start the double slash and then we put our instruction in the line, and after that we put our code. So and we have multi-line comment. We put multiple comments, multiple line comments. So for that we need to start the comment and then end the comment. For starting the comment we need slash and then static, and after multiple line comments we then close it. We close the comment with static and then slash. So let's see how we put the comment in Visual Studio. We come to the Visual Studio. So as we told that we can create the single line comment with double slash. So for that we write the double slash and then we write our comment. This is how to output hello world. So you can see this line code is green, and this is now executed by a compiler. So this is how we can write the single line comment. So as we told that we have the multiple line comment, for we want to write the multiple line comment. So for that we need to open the multi-line comment. For that we write the slash and then static, and after that we can put the, you can see. But if we don't close the comment, the rest of all the code will be comment. You can see all the rest of the code is a comment. It's like a comment, and this will not execute. For that we should close the multiple line comment, and for that we write the static and then slash, and you can see these lines of code is the comment, and after that it's a programming code. So you can see how we can put the single line comment in our program, and how we can put the multiple line comment in our code. That's enough for this video. See you in next video.